Hello, everyone. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. It's 1:32 p.m. Eastern Time. It's midday in the markets. This is a live chart. This is, of course, the BWT Precision Auto Trader, and we're going to go over what the auto trader is doing today. There's several markets that are doing really well today. This is the E-mini S&P 3500 tick line break. Before we get started, first the required disclaimers. That this video is for educational purposes only, and past performance is no guarantee of future results. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. Trading is risky. All right, I'm going to let this finish out this trade, and then I'm going to move on to some more charts in just a few minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, we're just waiting for this to hit its first target. In the meantime, I'm going to bring over the bonds. Bonds trading well today in the auto trader. Also very close to hitting its first target here. So you can see the couple of trades in the bonds. A loser, a large winner, a nice winner, a small loser, and then currently long. This is only 2 contracts on the bonds. While we're waiting for this, let's look at the crude. This is the BWT Super Renko on the crude today. May 27th. These are limit orders going in on a pullback. So total of 6 trades today on this chart. This is a little bit bigger time frame, but today's P&L at 1620. Bring over another chart here of the Euro FX futures on a 3-range Super Renko. This probably would have made more money today, but I have it set at a $700 profit target on 2 contracts. So this started trading at 8:30 today. The settings I have here may not be the very best settings. It looks like I may be getting cut short on my profit targets, so maybe I could increase my trailing stop on some of these trades, as I'm getting shorted on some of these moves here. And then you can see after we hit our goal, it looks like there was some pretty good swings. Okay, that's the 6E. Next, we have the crude on a different time frame. This is the crude on BWT Precision Renko, and it just got stopped out for a loser that set it back about $400. So it was up considerably more before this trade. But here is the trades prior to that. All right, we have another chart here. This is the Superanco on a 5-tick setting in the crude. So all these slightly different settings. This one is currently short. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes. I'm going to let these trades play out. Okay, stopped out on the crude for a small setback. This also illustrates how you can use your trail stop buttons to bring your stop down and lock in profits when you have them. Looks like the last 3 trades all had nearly $200 profit on the 2 contracts. So having some skill at moving your stops can be beneficial. Okay, we're about 1 tick away from this profit target being hit. Just wanted to bring the 15-minute chart over here for a minute, and you can see that we had a gap here from 18. Well, it's just reached the high of yesterday, which was 1925, and there's a small gap for about 2 points. So maybe it'll come up and fill this gap. Okay, and our target was hit. So we have a closed P&L of 525. It takes a few minutes for this to cycle. Also, now our stops have moved up to just a couple of bars back. So this is going to be a good day on this chart, any way you look at it. Okay, so this is the end of part 1